I used her up and repurchased her. I need to go buy it again. Oh my gosh, I'm just finding all sorts of things in here. I keep finding little Hello Kitty hippers in here. Hi, it's me, it's Tilly, I'm back. Do you guys remember me? Be honest. Are you still there? If you're new here, hi, my name is Tilly. I'm back. I haven't posted on YouTube in like a month-ish. Today I thought, what better video to come back and haunt you guys with than a going through my trash video, aka an empties video. I collect all my empty products over the past few months, put them in here, and every so often we go through it and we talk about it. We talk about what I loved, what I didn't love. I try a lot of products, so if I finish a product, usually it means I love it. Sometimes it means it was there and I needed it, so I used it. So let's freaking talk about it, because I feel like going through someone's products that like they fully went through really shows you if the product was good or not. Okay, should we just jump right in? Should we just get started, because I think it's time. Let's start with this. This is like kind of boring. We're gonna start with a boring thing. This is the Tree Hut Vanilla Moisturizing Shave Oil. It's not that interesting, but this is the only thing I use to shave. Genuinely my favorite thing ever. I love using an oil. I feel like it's just so much more hydrating and smoothing. I have really sensitive skin and I love to smell like vanilla, and I've gone through so many of these. I did repurchase one of these immediately after I used all of this bad boy up. Next is this. This is the Way Fine to Medium Hair Treatment Mask. I used this in the shower and I used this up, to say the least. Yeah. Now, would I say that I would purchase it again? No, I wouldn't, just because it didn't stand out to me. It's nothing special. It's a great hair mask. My hair felt great. I used it in the shower. I only ever use hair masks in the shower. I don't use conditioner. Nothing stood out to me about it. I feel like I have other ones that I've been sent that I want to try before I repurchase this one, but it was really great. It smells delicious. Made my hair really soft, but didn't stand out, if I'm being honest. However, this Way product, this is a standout, home run, VIP, like best of the best. This is the Way Bond Repair Balm. I also use this in the shower replacing conditioner, and I won't use this every single time I shower just because I don't want to like over condition my hair. But this stuff is so good. It's magical. The first time I used it, I was like, oh, okay, another hair mask, whatever. Put it in my hair, rinsed it out. My hair has never felt softer. My hair has never felt softer. And I bleach my hair. Duh. I feel like my hair doesn't get super dry, but it can still get dry, obviously. This makes my hair so incredibly soft and so incredibly beautiful. And I did repurchase it. I got sent this one and I immediately went and repurchased it. That's how you know a product is good. When a content creator gets sent something in PR and they go and repurchase it, so good. I use this up so fast, so fast. Let's keep going with the hair theme because I kind of like it. I have another hair mask. This is the Amika one. Everyone rants and raves about this, and I have to be honest, I really don't know why. Is that crazy? Is that awful? Am I gonna get canceled for that? I don't know. I just don't see what's special about it. Again, same with this Way one. Didn't stand out in a crowd to me. I want my hair mask to make my hair so soft and so shiny and feel like I never put bleach in it. And maybe that's a lot to ask. Maybe it is. But that's what this does. Ooh, I said it. That's what this does. I did use this all up because, again, I'm trying to be better about using products that are still good. Like, I got sent this one and it smells really good. But I will not be repurchasing this. I think I found my holy grail. But it was still really good. I still use that, I hope. I have talked about this shampoo as well as the Amika Volumizing Shampoo. This is the Jisoo Honey Gloss Ceramide Therapy Hydrating Shampoo. Another product that I put in my hair, and I swear, like, I don't know if it's just like placebo, but my hair just is like, whoa, reversed all the damage. We have reversed all the damage. She's back to being natural and healthy and living her best life. And I just feel as though this is one of the best shampoos in the world. I use this one, and then I'll go back and forth between this one and the Amika Volumizing Shampoo, or I'll use both of them to really get like a good deep scrub in my hair. The Volumizing Shampoo one is also so amazing. I swear my hair gets so much volume from just using that shampoo. So much volume. I love it. But I did repurchase this. I got sent this when they first like released it, and then I have repurchased it ever since. And this will probably never not be in one of my empties videos because it is that good. We have another hair mask. Guys, I love hair masks. Okay, This is the Pheno one, Premium Touch. So when I first tried this, my cousin went to Japan and she actually brought it back to me. And then I realized you can order it on Amazon. It is, I will say, this is one that I always forget is so good. Who is this? But it's such an amazing hair mask. So amazing. Same with this one where it just feels like my hair has reversed in damage so much. And it leaves my hair so silky and shiny and soft. And I'm just like, oh. And it's not even that expensive. Like, it's actually very well priced and it's really great. And I'm sure I'll repurchase it someday, but I'm sticking to her right now. Oh, this stuff. Okay, guys. This is the Eva NYC Invisible Dry Shampoo. Fun fact about me, I hate dry shampoo. Hate how it makes my hair feel, hate how it makes my hair look. Don't like the feeling of it on my scalp, except this one. This one and the K18 one, the only ones I will use. This one I will use if my hair is just like a tiny bit greasy and I just need to... But the K18 one I will use if I'm like actually like my hair is like scary looking. I love this one because it is seriously so invisible. Excuse you. Oh my gosh, I'm literally filming. Don't they know that? It's seriously so invisible. It doesn't feel like dry shampoo, which is why I love it so much, is it doesn't like have that like crispy, like chalky feel to it. Like, I hate when my hair feels chalky. It makes me like sick to think about. I really like this and I did repurchase it, and I repurchased like the huge one. Like, it's like this much bigger and I love it. This is the last hair product I have. This is the Day Prickly Pear Hair Oil. It's actually so gross. I bought this, I saw on the package that you could also use it kind of like a hair mask on like your ends. And so what I used this for was always when I was like going to wash my hair the next morning, or like I was doing like a hair mask, or like I was oiling my roots or something, I would always like put a ton of this on the ends of my hair, and it always made my ends really shiny and feel really nice. But I didn't repurchase it because I just feel like there's so many more hair oils out there, and I feel like maybe you could just do that with any hair oil, but it was still good. Okay, back on the shower theme, we've got this Sol de Janeiro body wash. Guys, this smells really good. I love the smell of any of their pink products, the perfume, the lotion, everything. And I love this body wash because it makes me feel so clean. And I did repurchase it because it smells so delicioso. It lathers up so well. I put on my loofah. It's my favorite body wash. Leaves my skin very moisturized, glowy, hydrated, all the things. It's great. This is my favorite self tanner. Okay, this is the Technicolor Emerald self tanner from Bondi Sands. They have 4 different shades and they all have like different undertones, and why I love this one is emerald. It says for a deep olive tone, which I love because it doesn't look orange. There's no orange tone. It literally, like, when you put it on, you look slightly green, like you're envious of something. It has that like green undertone, and so you're not gonna look orange, and it looks so natural. It is so good. And it's actually an express one. It's a 1-hour express tanner, but I always just leave it on like overnight. Next! Let Me Sleep. I love Let Me Sleep. I used to use it all the time. I used to have a really hard time sleeping. Not anymore. I'm out like a light. But I love Let Me Sleep. These put me right to bed. I know some people have strange experiences with these, but I love my Let Me Sleep. I don't know, guys. I love it. And I feel as though it just puts me right to bed. I fall asleep so quickly. It's better than any melatonin gummy I've ever tried, and I've tried a lot because my sleep is really scary. Just kidding. I have always struggled with sleeping like my entire life. I don't know if that's like a mental illness thing, probably, but I've always had a hard time sleeping and staying asleep, and so I've repurchased this I don't even know how many times, and I always have these by my bed, and I never feel like any of the side effects the next day. I know some people have talked about how like the next day they like can't wake up. Not I. I'm fine in the morning. I'm like slay. Okay, now we have some skincare. I have 2 of the Face Reality Hydro Remedies, one of my favorite skincare products. I have gone through a gajillion of these because they are so good. I wish they were bigger because I just feel like I do love to drench my face in this, and so I do go through them pretty quickly. Obviously, I really like them. I have one in my bathroom right now, but this just like is one of the most hydrating products I've ever tried. I feel like sometimes I'm like, I need hydration in my face, and then if I put like hydrating products on or whatever on, and it feels like it just sits on the like top layer of my face, and then I'm like, Hi! Can you seep into my skin, please? This actually does. This seeps white into my skin. Oh my gosh. Will my nose ever stop itching? I don't know. It makes my skin so hydrated and feels so smooth and so good. And especially when I was on Accutane for a little bit, I loved these so much and I would drench my face in this. So if you have dry skin or you're on Accutane or you're in a circumstance where your face is super dry, I highly recommend getting these because this is probably one of the best hydrating products I have ever tried, and trust me, I have tried a lot. I will have it incorporated into my skincare routine probably for the rest of my life. All the Face Reality products are 100% acne safe, which is why I got into Face Reality, because I used to have really bad acne. This is the Barrier Gel Cream. This is supposed to be kind of similar to the Rhode Barrier Butter, which I love the Rhode Berry Butter. I will say that one, the Rhode one, is a little bit thicker, which I do like, but I've gone through multiples of these as well. This is a great moisturizer, super hydrating, acne safe, doesn't make you feel greasy and gross, but just super hydrating and thick and nice and amazing and good and great. Next, this is the Youth to the People. Who are the people? Youth to the People Skin Food Skin Drip Smooth and Glow Serum. This is like probably one of the most hydrating products I've ever tried. The most glowy product I've ever tried, actually. Like, I can't believe the glow these give me, but I love these. I will say my only complaint about this is it's teeny. It's so small, and I love to drench my face in skincare and hydrating products. I went through this so fast. I did have another one they did send this to me, and I had another one from a previous package as well, so I didn't go repurchase it, but I have been using another one again, but I probably would go repurchase. I also put my mom on this. One time she took one from a package and she loves it, and she actually tried to steal the rest of mine. And I said, hey, what about me? I'm using that. Thanks, Mom. Next, I have this peptide glazing fluid from Rhode. I really like this. I do really like this. I think I like this better than the, it's out. Why do I keep trying to pump it on my hand? It's literally out. I do like this better than the glazing milk. Sorry, I think this is more hydrating and glowy. I'm gonna be so honest. I do feel like this is hydrating more. More hydrating. My skin likes it better and eats it up. It's like, it leaves my skin with such a beautiful glow. I have two moisturizers. First is this one. I use this one in my makeup routine. This is the Tatcha, the Dewy Milk Moisturizer. So not the one in the cream. This is a little bit more like serum-y, and I did repurchase this. It is the best moisturizer to prep your skin for makeup. Makeup lays so beautiful on top of it. It leaves your skin so moisturized, so hydrated, but there's not like I don't know, sometimes I don't like to use a super thick moisturizer before I do my makeup because I feel like I don't have enough time for it to really seep into my skin. And I like to put moisturizer on right before I do my makeup because that's when I feel like my makeup turns out the best. This, I don't need to let it sit. It like seeps right into my face and looks so beautiful and so glowy and adds such a glow to the skin, and it makes my makeup last really long. I'm not gonna lie. And then the other moisturizer I have is the Real Actives Do More. I really enjoyed this. I really do enjoy all of Alex Earl's skincare products. I use them every day. They're really great. I'm not gonna lie. The only complaint I have about this is I ran out of it so quickly. I went through this thing so fast, and I don't know if that's just because I, again, love to just layer on a lot of products, but I did go through it really fast, but I did love it. I didn't repurchase it because, again, like I said, I'm trying to use different moisturizers, go through my stuff more, but I really did enjoy this. I thought it was really good, and the packaging is so cute. I have two facial sprays. I've talked about this one before. This is the Iris and Romeo facial spray. I literally have one right there. I can see it because it is that good. This is the best facial spray in the world. It's gonna leave your skin so glowy. There's a little bit more in there. Feels so refreshing on the skin. I will put pounds and pounds and pounds and pounds of this on my face, and then it leaves the most beautiful glow. Like, even just that little spritz, like, it's so beautiful and it feels so good and so hydrating and so amazing. Same with this. Same with the Rhode Glazing Mist. I know I've kind of poo-pooed this before. I went through it once and I kind of was like, it was all right. I got it again and I fell in love. Second chances, man. Crazy. I really enjoy this. I really like this for skincare. I like using this like before makeup, after makeup, in between makeup steps. But then this one I like to use in the skincare times. It's so beautiful. I like to put this on my face right before bed. It's really great. I've repurchased it now a few different times. I really like it. I do. The last two things we have are two little lip products. First, let's stick with the skincare. This is the Rhode Lip Peptide Boost. Guys, I did not think I was gonna like these just because, like, I don't know. I love my Aquaphor for like a lip, like a chapstick. Obviously, I loved it. No, but actually, I will drench my lips in this before I go to bed, and I will wake up with it still on and my lips feeling so moisturized and so amazing. It gives such a beautiful little tiny plump to the lips, and it has a little bit of a tingle, but it's really not that bad. I can't stand when I put on a lip gloss and the plumper is like, ugh! This is not like that at all, and it's genuinely one of my favorites. This is the mint one, the sugar mint flavor, and this is my favorite because I just love the mint, especially for like the evening and like going to bed. It just like feels so refreshing and like fresh, and like I'm gonna wake up being just like, the minute I couldn't squeeze anything out of this, I ran to Sephora and I bought myself a new one. I know that's right. I know that's right. It's so good. I love it so much. I also have the other flavor, just like the non-scented one, in my car, and I love it. And the last thing we have is this lip gloss. Obviously, it's not like super empty, but it's pretty empty. This is the Say Glossy Balm in the shade Bubble. This is my favorite color ever, and my favorite lip gloss ever. I use this bad boy up. Look at that. Obviously, I can still scoop some out, but I thought for like, you know, funsies, we could include her. I love this lip gloss. It looks so beautiful. It looks so stunning. I love the color. I love how it feels on the lips. It's not sticky. Very shiny on the lips. Lasts a long time. Like, I just genuinely love this lip gloss so much, and I love this color so much that I did repurchase another one. Yes. It's right here. But no, I actually love this lip gloss so much, and I'm gonna put this one in my purse and really finish it. But I really like it. That's all I have for today's video. Thanks for going through my trash with me, honestly. Like, genuinely, thanks for going through my trash, because I feel like if I didn't have you guys to go through my trash with, I would force my boyfriend or my cats to watch me go through my trash and talk about what I loved and what I didn't love, and they wouldn't like that. But I know you guys would have liked it, and you did like it. That's why you gave the video a thumbs up, right? And if you're new, that's why you subscribed, right? Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out with me for a little bit. I hope you have the best day ever. Don't forget to slay, and don't forget to serve. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye. I love you.